Hello everybody, Zeff here with ZeffsTrading. Hope you guys are doing well today. This will be June 11th, 2024. This will be our chart lesson for today of the ES futures on the 2000 tick chart. As you can see here, nice bullish day, closing above yesterday's high. You can see this two-legged correction here and went above some as we hit that measured move. Not too many trades today. I actually didn't take one. I was looking at this triple test here, but didn't like it real time until after the fact. But nonetheless, let's go into it and see if we can find something that was pretty high probability. Overall, I just didn't see much, which, you know, it happens. A little choppy on the day, but that's okay. Okay, pre-market session here. Market opens 9:30 my time, and as I see a first entry, second entry long in a downtrend here, look for this little bit of congestion, and then we get a nice move down, and then we get a first entry, second entry short, and I think this was definitely the trade of the day. Clear second entry short with your first break, looking for a new extreme to the low. Great signal bar, and I think this is only, 5 ticks of risk. Just beautiful setup there. Definitely take that one. Then we get a little bit of a more sell-off here. As you can see, multiple red bars closing on their lows. We get a nice higher low here, and then this bullish trend starts. And throughout this, we don't have any second entry long. I don't really see a clear failed second entry short, and so it just holds above it. Maybe you could argue for a couple decent ones, like these are just correction bars, and these are signal bars. These are higher probability, higher advanced trades. Excuse me. But, again, I just don't see anything in here. You have a first entry. This would be your second entry long in the inside bar. I don't know if it broke lower, higher first. Maybe you take this one. I don't like how much stem is there. You never get a higher low, etc. Then you get a top out and then a lower high, but it's doji bar. Again, just very indecision with the market. You get a break in new extreme, and you already have your first entry, second entry long failure. And I was thinking about taking this one as well, but again, it's just too sideways for me, so I'm not even going to mark it. It's just nothing looked really that good today, as you can already tell. Then get a nice move up. We get a double top here. Sells off. You get a break. You do get a first entry, second entry short, lower high, but it's a doji bar, so can't take that setup with the bad signal bar. Then you get a move break and a break to a new low, but still a very bearish trend. Prices being rejected off the 21 EMA once, twice, and 3 times here. So then you get a first entry, second entry short here again. And that's within the risk parameter. So that's a nice second entry short in a downward trend. It bottoms out here. And then you get this 1, 2, and 3 triple test, but bad signal bar. And it's a little sideways after that. Then we claw our way back up, staying above the 21 EMA, and then we get a nice visual two-legged pullback and a first entry, second entry long. Very big bar, a lot of risk you have to take on, so move your stop 1 tick underneath once the entry bar closes, and you would have just gotten this after your first bar on your entry bar, which is great, but nice first entry, second entry long. Continues higher here. You can also see the new trend break and new high. Then we get a failure here. We try to sell off once, twice, and it comes up again. You get a 1, 2, and 3. You get this lower high here. You know, this double top is not exactly the greatest thing, especially with this hoagie. I mean, you have context here. I just really don't like taking lower highs, outside bars right into the 21 EMA. This thing does work out here, so maybe you take that one. I think that's an aggressive setup. But then we start this other move higher here. And as you can see, a nice other measured move within this. I was looking at this first entry, second entry short failure. I just didn't like the signal bar. I was right into the highs here, and I just didn't want to take that setup. Correction, was looking for a second entry long with a break. Never got it. Just a one-leg correction and rallies higher. Then again, top out here after this measured move. Sells off. You know, this lower high is pretty tempting, but it wasn't a good signal bar. So again, just didn't take it. Just out of my hands. You got a first entry, second entry long, but your second entry long would only have been 1 tick above the bullish bar, and you would have gotten it for a scalper's profit, but I just didn't. It was too close to the highs here, and I was right. It sells off. I did see this 1, 2, and 3 triple test here. I just didn't like it real time. I think I should just put a limit order and had like a 6-tick stop. I think that was the appropriate move here for this triple test. It's just such a bullish move on the day that I was really didn't want to go short. I really wanted to go long here. So looking back, this is a clear 1, 2, 3 triple test. Good signal bar, drop a limit order. You just take it, and if you get stopped out, you're only getting stopped out on 6 ticks. So yeah. Anyways, kind of indecisive about this one, but that's okay. Again, just choppy day. Price action wasn't really the best in my opinion, but that happened, and so then for the rest of the day, I just didn't take any trades. I did see this first entry, second entry long failure, but we're already almost at the end of the day. Then it rallies higher, no second entry longs, no failures. I just really don't see anything. You do get this first entry, second entry long, bad signal bar, and it's already past the closing time of 4 p.m. So that's how I saw it for today. Unfortunately, just no trades, really. This second entry short early on, all the way back here, was definitely, I think, a very clear setup, high probability, and we kind of want to take sure things here. But you can see, nice 2 measured move, went higher, again, another 2 measured moves, and, that's just how it was for today. We'll see what tomorrow brings, and hope you guys enjoyed this chart review. Hope you guys' trading was good today if you did trade, and if not, and you know when to sit out, like I did, and that's good too. Alrighty, see you guys tomorrow.